In today's video, I'll show you how to unhide hidden files on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, to access your hidden files, all you have to do is go into Settings, and then you want to scroll through Settings and tap on Privacy, and then select Vault, like that. Or you can simply go into the app drawer and find the Vault app, tap on that, and it's going to bring you to the same point. Now, if you don't know how to add the Vault app to your home screen, I've done a video and I'll link it down below. So once you get to this point, simply enter your privacy password and you should be able to see all the files that you've hidden: images, videos, apps, recordings, and documents. Now, to unhide those particular items, simply tap on whatever option you want, then select on all the items that you want to unhide, be it photos, videos, and whatever, and then select Unhide and confirm that you want to unhide them. And for example, these recordings are going to be added back to the Recorder app on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. That's basically how to unhide hidden files on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.